Good morning, students. Today we will do second chapter of your supplementary reader, A Pact with the Sun, and the chapter is A Friendly Mongoose. Before I begin the chapter, I would tell you all that simply reading the chapter is not sufficient. You must stress on correct pronunciation of the words, learn some new words, and make use of them in your day-to-day life. So now let's begin with the chapter, The Friendly Mongoose. Let me give the short introduction of the first part of the chapter. We will do this chapter in 2 videos and we can complete the chapter in 2 parts. So, a farmer, his wife and their small child lived in a village. There was also a baby mongoose in the house, who they believed would be their son's companion and friend in the future. One day, the farmer and his wife went out, leaving the child alone with the mongoose. So this is the introduction of the chapter. Now before that, let me find out how many of you know about mongoose and what a mongoose is. So for those who don't know about mongoose, let me tell you. Mongoose is actually a small carnivorous mammal and it's found mainly in Africa and Asia. In Hindi, you call it Nevla. I'll just show you in the picture what mongoose looks like. So this is a mongoose and it is supposed to be great enemy of snake. Great enemy of a snake. Now let's begin with the chapter. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with a small son. They loved him very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. When your son grows up, he will need a companion. This pet will be your son's companion. His wife liked the idea. So, once upon a time, a farmer lived with his wife and one small baby, one small son. They loved their son very much. They had this baby was the only child of the family. So a thought came in the farmer's mind that his baby should have a companion. So they thought of bringing up a pet. Bringing up a pet also so that when the child grows up, he will have a friend in that pet. So the wife also liked the idea and she supported. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son. One evening, the farmer brought with him a small mongoose and it was a baby mongoose. And the wife said, soon this mongoose will grow into a big mongoose, will be fully grown, and our son will definitely find a friend, a companion in this mongoose. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size. A lovely small animal with 2 shiny black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. So, whatever words are highlighted here, children, I would like you all to find the meaning of these words and write down its meaning with pencil in the book itself, nowhere else. Please write down these spellings, these meanings in the book itself above the word. So, both the baby and the mongoose were growing together. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose was fully grown and it was a cute little animal with 2 shiny black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby and it was sleeping. It was in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. So what is the meaning of cradle? Cradle, it is a baby's cot or bed that is typically mounted on rocker. That means some bed or cot that could be moved to and fro. Next word is alternately. Alternately means two work carried out one after the another, or some two jobs happening one after the other. So baby's only work was sleep or cry. So it would do alternately, sleep, cry, that way. One day the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. So this lady wanted to go to the market for some shopping purpose. So what she did, she fed the baby. Baby ko khana khilaya and rocked him. Here the meaning of rocked is move gently to and fro or from side to side. Jhulana. And she put him in to sleep and put him back in the cradle. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, I'm off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. Here the word comes, frankly. What does it mean? To be honest. To be honest. So that lady said, please keep an eye on this baby. I don't want to leave this mongoose alone with the baby. So be here at home. You need not be afraid, said the farmer. The mongoose is a friendly animal. It's as sweet as our baby and they are the best of friends, you know. He said, this mongoose is very sweet and a very friendly animal and a baby and this mongoose are the best of friends. So don't worry about this. The wife went away and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. So sitting at home after some time, he thought, I have nothing to do at home. Let me go and have a look at my field. And his field was not too far away from the home. On the way back home, he ran into some friends on the way back and didn't return for quite some time. While returning back, what happened? He ran into some of his friends. The meaning of ran into means to encounter someone by chance. अचानक से किसी से मिलना. That is called ran into. So, he got busy with his friends chatting and for quite some time he did not return home. Dear students, please write down the meaning of the above words. And here I'll give you a few questions for today to be done in your supplementary copy. Do these questions, question number 1, 2 and 3 in your supplementary copy neatly with proper date and chapter heading. First question, why did the farmer bring a baby mongoose into the house? Second question, why didn't the farmer's wife want to leave the baby alone with the mongoose? Third, what was the farmer's comment on his wife's fears? So with this, we will conclude today's video. Tomorrow, I'll get back to you with the second part of the story. Thank you.